One of the lesser known features when using the crop tool is its ability to add canvas area around your image and also fill that canvas. So let's tap C to select the crop tool and just use the mouse right click to reset the tool. Now when you first drag out your crop marquee, I just want to mention that you can actually add canvas around the image area. It will stop at the image bounds, but you can release your cursor and then you can drag out further than the image area. Alright, so let's go ahead and add some canvas here. I also want to straighten the image, so I'll position my cursor outside of the crop marquee and just click and drag to rotate it. Alright, now we can fill this with a solid color. In fact, the background color, because I was working with a background. If I set this to background, just picks up the background color so we see the white all the way around. Now if I uncheck delete cropped pixels, then I can fill that area with transparency. But in this case, I want to fill it with actual content. I want Photoshop to expand this photograph for me. There are two different options for this: Generative Expand and Content Aware Fill. Let's try Content Aware Fill. I'll go ahead and apply that. So Content Aware Fill uses computer-generated content-aware information based on the areas to expand it. And it gives you one result. And let's take a look. So it looks really good over here and across the top. It looks good over here, although I see some repeating patterns. A few repeating patterns here. And then there are just some areas that it looks like it just didn't quite know what to do with. So that's great. It got us like 80% of the way there. I could then use some retouching tools like maybe the clone stamp or the healing brush in order to fill those areas in. And we'll discuss the healing and retouching tools later in this course, but it's not always perfect. But it does a very good job, gives us a good head start. For now, I'm going to go to the nature.jpg and just switch to the move tool to hide the crop marquee. If you need the canvas size to be a specific size, then we'll want to use the canvas size dialog. I'm going to convert the background into a layer and then choose image and canvas size. So here I can change the units of measurement. I'll move to inches. And let's say I just wanted to make the canvas 15 inches by 10 inches. Now you'll notice there are no options to fill that content. That's why I converted the background into a layer so that here it would just add transparency around it. So you can use content aware, no generative fill in here, but you can expand the canvas to a specific amount. In fact, you can also use the relative amount. So let's say, for example, I just want to add a 1-inch border on the top left and right of the image and in a 2-inch border at the bottom. Well, I would add those inches up. So I would want to add a total of 2 inches, one on each side and then 3 inches for the height. Now I can choose to anchor this anywhere I want. The default is in the center, but if I wanted to put it at the top or at the bottom, I could certainly do that. For now, I'll just add it to the center. Click OK, use Ctrl 0 to zoom out to fit in the screen, and then I could just use the move tool in order to reposition this as needed. So there we go. In order to add canvas to an image in a freeform manner, where you can automatically fill the canvas using either content aware fill or generative fill, you can use the crop tool. Or if you just want to add, say, transparency around the canvas and you need that canvas to be a specific size, then use the image size command. This is Sarvi channel and you're watching my Photoshop Masterclass videos. If you're not professional in Photoshop, I suggest you that watch my videos from the first one because I covered every small detail in this tutorial. But now, like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you make sure to never miss my daily videos. And comment me and ask me any question you had. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.